So this is the marshmallow manipulation, or at least that's what I'm calling it. This is the manipulation lesson for Mathematics for Teachers 2. In this lesson, we're going to be exploring three-dimensional shapes, understanding the difference between vertices, edges, and faces, as you've seen on my whiteboard. The supplies you'll need for this lesson include marshmallows, toothpicks, enough for the whole class. For the teacher, you'll need an expo marker, an eraser, and of course the whiteboard. You will want to start off the lesson passing out the supplies to the students, and then on the board, write down what you've written here. You'll then lead the class in a discussion over vertices, edges, and faces, such as what is a vertice? If a student knows and is able to explain it, all the better. If not, you'll simply tell them that it is a place where three edges or more connect to one point. An edge is where two faces connect to form a line, and then the faces are any 2D shape that you see on the 3D figure. Now this is when you will lead the class in actually their first part of the construction. You take the marshmallows and the appropriate number of toothpicks, and you will show them how to create either a square or a triangle. And using these, you will tell them, all right, so how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3. How many edges for each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And just for the sake of having them understand, one face, one face. After that's done, you can set them loose to make any three-dimensional figure. Hopefully, they'll either make the pyramid, any sort of prism, in this case, a triangular prism, and then a cube. As they're going around, the teacher will also be walking around the room, asking the students, well, how many vertices are there? The student should be able to either automatically say 5 when they have the pyramid, or you can go around and count. Walking around the room will allow you to better work with each student one-on-one. You'll then ask how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, because it is a three-dimensional figure, sometimes the students will only count the faces that they see up top and not do the bottom one. This would be a great learning opportunity. You will be able to flip it around. Well, how many faces are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will work even if they make nonsensical shapes, such as, now of course this one isn't necessarily any easily recognizable shape, but you can still do the lesson even when they make someone like this. So they'll be able to count the marshmallows as the vertices, they'll be able to count the toothpicks as the edges, and this would actually be a good learning opportunity because they've also made a pentagon as both the base and as one of the faces. So that's the lesson.